Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is September 9th, and we are going to take a look at the VIX, Dow Jones, S&P500, and Nasdaq. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how to use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions, but I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your research and make your own decisions. So VIX is still coming down, so this is great to see for the stock market as a whole. We are down 82 cents. That's 3.48% down. Let's look at what we have here on the chart. So yesterday we officially broke outside of this upward bullish channel, which had a detrimental effect on the stock market by going up right here, because when the VIX is going up, the stock market is going down, and vice versa. So right now, we are still continuing our descent outside of this bullish channel for the VIX. And I was waiting before I drew this downward resistance, but I think I'm going to have to do it right now. I was waiting for a little bit of a pullback for the VIX to draw that resistance, but it's not happening. So let's draw this one for now. It won't last very long because it's rare to have a straight line movement like this. So we should be having a move back up eventually. And then we are going to have a top at some point. And then we are going to be able to draw the real channel resistance, because this is way too steep to last a really long time. But hey, this is great. This is great, and we like to see it. And stochastic is below 60, so this is telling us that this should be continuing to go down because there's no strength. Stochastic over 60 describes the strength of the move. If we have a stochastic over 60, then the instrument, the stock, should be going up. If it's below 60, it should be going down, because this is expressing the strength that the instrument has. So right now it has not much strength because stochastic is below 60. And we lost also RSI here, and we are very close to getting a MACD cross. Hopefully we are going to come back around 20 and maybe even lower. That would be great for the stock market as a whole. Let's go see the indices, how they are faring. So still nice move up right here on the indices on Dow Jones. We don't have stochastic over 60 yet. It's at 34. It's still climbing. We don't have RSI, but we do have DMI right here, and we don't have a MACD crossover yet. We are getting very close to this downward resistance, so this is going to be very interesting to see if we cave to it like we did right here and we did right here, or if we are crossing it and looking for other patterns, because this is the pattern that Dow Jones is in right now within this broader, bigger pattern. We are looking at this point here, and if we cross outside, then maybe things are going to look up for more than a couple of days for the stock market, and maybe we are going to reach this broader pattern resistance. Let's go look at S&P 500, pretty much the same thing. We are going back up, and for S&P 500, if I go on the 1 hour chart to get the precision, we broke outside. We broke outside of this resistance right here. The pattern is basically the same, so let's hope that if we broke on S&P 500, it's going to break on Dow Jones also. And let's look at Nasdaq Composite. Also the same thing for Nasdaq Composite. We have a break here. And if we look at Nasdaq 100, we also seem to have a break. So it's just Dow Jones that is not giving us a break. But it's a break without stochastic over 60. So we should be very careful about this break. We should not trust it yet. We need to have stochastic over 60 to trust any break in resistance. We should just be cautious with this a little bit. Any gains that you have had in the past week on the stock market or everything, you should keep a close eye on them, because if we break this down here, everything else is going to start coming down. and the same thing if we reach this broader pattern resistance. We had a great week. Everybody's happy and everything, but that does not necessarily mean that the wave that we are riding right now is a big wave. It's a nice wave for now, but we don't know exactly how much it's gonna last because we have some rocks that are coming our way here, so maybe the wave is going to break. So let's just be mindful of this, and let's just keep looking at the stock market every single day. So you can join me every single day. We are looking at Tesla, and we are also looking at the stock indices like we are doing right now in this video. So thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great weekend. We are going to talk on Monday, unless you are a member with the right tier, then we are going to also talk on Sunday. So have a great weekend, everybody, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.